Infiniti's arrangement isn't what it very well may be, or ought to be. Think about the brand's only car, the Q50, still in its original following 11 years available. That is about 2 times the length most producers keep models in the battle before a significant upgrade. The Q50's agile outside styling actually holds up, which is the uplifting news. The 3.0-litre twin Super V6 serving each Q50 with either 300 or 400 strength ought to likewise be uplifting news, yet the energetic powertrains are let somewhere around the vehicle's unacceptable taking care of and once in a while jumpy ride. Almost all the other things about the vehicle either squeaks with age or double crosses an absence of motivation. The infotainment framework does both. The Q50 enters one more year with practically no significant updates. That, in addition to the way that its roadster-kin, the Q60, was progressively transitioned away from after the 2022 model year, drives us to the hypothesis that the Q50 may before long face the hacking block. The passage-level luxury is the best approach. It needs a couple of specialty highlights contrasted with the tangible, for example, paddle shifters and a lodge air purifier, yet the two vehicles share the equivalent powertrain, and the luxury accompanies extravagance ornaments like calfskin seating, warmed controlling wheel, and 16-speaker Bose sound. All-wheel drive is a choice, yet that's what we'd skirt and put the cash toward winter tires. Staying with back tire drive opens what taking care of capability the Q50 can call. Each Q50's twin Super 3.0-litre V6 hides in the forward sound. The motors in the luxury and tactile trims make 300 torque. The Red Game 400 produces the 400 ponies showed in the name. In all trims, yield goes through a 7-speed programmed transmission to either the back tires or every one of the 4 wheels when outfitted with AWD. Shifts are speedy and scarcely perceivable. Guiding is light yet not speedy and needs criticism. Infiniti's discretionary drive-by-wire guiding arrangement, called Direct Versatile Controlling, sounds modern, yet none of its numerous accessible modes offers the input or the ever-evolving exertion during cornering that the best regular rudders give. The Q50S we've driven with 19-inch wheels had an unsteady, some of the time cruel ride, yet the base model's standard 18-inch wheels could work on that apprehensive inclination. Notwithstanding drivetrain arrangement or motor result, the 2024 Q50 isn't tasting fuel. The thriftiest back tire drive trim is assessed to procure 20 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the roadway. Picking AWD or the Red Game 400 psychologists those figures somewhere in the range of 1 to 3 MPG. We tried an all-wheel drive Red Game 400 on our 75 mph roadway course, which is important for our broad testing routine, and it dominated its EPA rating by a solitary mile for each gallon with a 27 mpg result. Notwithstanding, turbocharged 6 chambers in opponents, for example, the M340i and G70 are considerably more proficient at roadway speeds. Remaining available in a serious portion for over 10 years with minimal change is a recipe for falling behind. Indeed, even the Red Game 400, what begins $1,000 under a 2024 BMW M340i, doesn't summon the materials, highlights, and bundling we anticipate from the brand and the cost. The stitched cowhide is attractive, yet the blend of surfaces and lines in the lodge doesn't finish the eye assessment for extravagance. The simple instrument bunch and split infotainment screens have a place with another period. Better than expected front legroom comes at the expense of squeezed back quarters. The Q50 is about similar size as its rivals, however its freight limit is less than ideal, and the inside is short on helpful cubbies. It very well might be an agreeable throughway cruiser, yet the Infiniti isn't intended for long vacations. With around 13 cubic feet of trunk volume, the Q50 misses the mark concerning the 3 Series and the Stinger.